In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab statement. We'll use the fastest, most reliable method, downloading your statement online from your Schwab account. Start by signing into your Charles Schwab account through a web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation and open the Accounts menu. From there, select Statements and Tax Forms. This is the central hub where Schwab organizes all your monthly statements and year-end documents, so it's the place you'll return to anytime you need a record. On the Statements and Tax Forms page, first choose the specific account you want. Schwab accounts can include brokerage, checking, IRAs, and more, and each account has its own set of statements. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you've selected the one you actually need so you don't download the wrong file. Next, select the date or month you want. Schwab typically lists statements by month, and you can filter or scroll to find the exact period you're after. Take a moment to confirm the month and year. This is especially helpful around year-end when you might be collecting several documents at once. When you see the statement you need, click it to open, then choose Download to save the PDF to your device. Most browsers will save it to your default Downloads folder unless you pick a different location. It's a good practice to rename the file with the account and month for easier organization, especially if you handle multiple accounts or plan to share it with a tax professional. The PDF format is standard, so it should open on virtually any device and is easy to store securely or attach to emails if required. Schwab stores your statements online and makes them available for download anytime as PDFs, which means you can return to this page whenever you need another copy. You don't have to worry if you misplace a file, just come back and download it again. As for history, Schwab typically keeps up to 10 years of statements available online. If you're looking for something older than that, those statements may not appear in the portal. In that case, you can reach out to Schwab support to request archived copies. Just be aware that very old statements may take additional time to retrieve. That's all there is to it. By using the Accounts menu, opening Statements and Tax Forms, choosing the right account and month, and downloading the PDF, you'll have your Charles Schwab statement ready whenever you need it.